Hello and welcome to this installation guide and review of Olixar's film screen protector on the iPhone 12. Within the pack, Olixar have provided an extra protector for if mistakes are made during the installation process, or if the protector was to get damaged after its application. Before starting, I would recommend turning off your phone, just so the screen doesn't keep activating during the installation process. All of the tools that will be needed to apply the film to your display will come with the protector. This includes a microfiber cloth, wet wipes, application card, dust removal sticker, and guide stickers. The first step of the application process is to clean your screen. To do so, take the wet wipe and remove any dirt and grease from your display. Then use a microfiber cloth to remove any excess liquid that may be left from the wet wipe. Now, using the dust removal sticker, repeatedly dab the screen. This is highly important as you do not want any dust being visible between the film and the display post-application. The second step turns our attention to applying the film to the display. You'll need to pull back the tab that is labelled 1. Carefully match up the film to the display. Use the front camera lens to help you. The third and final step is to remove any bubbles that may be left. To do this, simply take the application card and push them from the centre outwards. Once this is complete, you can finally remove tab 2. Be careful when doing so, as you don't want the film to lift with it. I recommend using the application card to hold down the film as you slowly peel back tab 2. If there are any bubbles visible after this, use the microfiber cloth to press them out. And there we are, the screen of your device is now protected by Olixar's film screen protector. As the film is so thin, it doesn't detract from the visuals of the marvellously engineered iPhone 12. This invisible form of protection doesn't affect the response rate of your device. As you can see, I'm able to breeze my way through the newest features of the iPhone 12 series without any delays. Face recognition works the same as before the film was attached. I can continue using this futuristic function to delve into Apple's latest release. This is the perfect option for if you are looking for a protector that offers defence from scratches that may occur from everyday use. Though if you are looking for something a bit more robust, a glass protector would be more ideal, as if this protector was to undergo a heavy impact, I fear it may not be able to completely protect your phone. When attaching your favourite case, there will be no interference with the film protector, as it is so thin, so you will not be restricted in what case you can protect your precious device with. Overall, this screen protector has an extremely easy application method that takes only just a number of minutes to complete. Once this protector is attached, it goes unnoticed on the screen and replicates the feel of the device's original screen, enabling your finger to run smoothly across the display of your phone. If you are interested in Olixar's film protector, I have posted the link as to where you can find it in the description and comments below. For more content to keep you up to date with the latest tech and mobile accessories, please hit our subscribe button. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.